Hey future millionaires! My goal with this video is to help you make your first $100,000 online. In order to do this, you need an income stream that's gonna make you $274 per day, and this is way more in reach than you may think. In order to do this, you need to find the right online business model for you. And that's what this video will help you do. Today in this video, I have compiled the 5 best online business models to start this year. And I will be giving you everything you need to start and be successful, so there's no reason why you can't start. If you don't already know me, my name is Isabella and I grew 2 6-figure earning online businesses in less than a year, and I am now a millionaire in my 20s. I started this journey completely on the side, and I have a huge passion for documenting my journey and inspiring others to do the same on my YouTube channel. Because I've been able to master a few of these online skills, I'm currently building my dream home, driving my dream car, and living however I want, traveling whenever I want, because I truly have the time and financial freedom in order to do so. We are entering a new era, and the way people are making money online is changing fast. If I lost everything today, no followers, no audience, no knowledge, no income, these business models are exactly what I would do to start over right now. And the best part is you can literally copy me and do this too. Make sure you guys watch all the way till the end of this video, because I will be talking about the one skill that makes everything else work well. And it's the one thing that people a lot of times skip. I don't just show you how to get started, but to actually be successful in this game. My YouTube channel is your #1 source for 100% free education and courses. As you go through this video, you will notice that every single business model that I talk about will have a free course linked to it that you could follow further. People have started these business models after watching my YouTube channel and trying things themselves and are getting crazy results. So if they can do it, why can't you? So here are some business models that I want to first go over that I do not recommend you do. These are super popular online, but they're either too oversaturated, too complex, or too risky for anyone just getting started. They won't work unless you've already built the skills, networks, or have a giant investment to spend up front. Now let me show you the 5 business models that I do recommend. You could start these from your phone with $0 from anywhere in the world, even if you've never made money online before. These are the 5 business models that I've built my highest earning businesses on. Every single one of these can hit 10K a month if you follow the right steps. Most people miss the one thing that makes all these businesses successful, which I will cover at the end of this video, so make sure you watch all the way till the end. So the first online business model on this list today is going to be digital products. I love digital products because it only really takes you a couple hours to put one together, and you can then sell that digital products unlimited amounts of times over the next 5 to 10 years. With digital products, you're not just creating a digital product, but you're actually creating a digital asset that can generate passive income for you. With the correct funnels and marketing strategies in place, you have the power to scale these to making 6 figures in less than a year. There are so many different types of digital products you can sell: ebooks, PDF guides, printable templates, planners, recipes, courses, tutorial and guides, consulting, games, and so much more. Not to mention, you can create digital products in minutes using AI systems like Trend Assist AI and Canva. The free course for this is linked down below. You can start selling digital products with 0 to low investment. You can make money fast with them. You can scale them to making millions. You own this 100%, and it's also very beginner friendly. The #2 business model that I recommend is niche online stores. People that are brand new to online business have really found a lot of success in starting these. You source products online at a discounted price, and you resell the products at a higher price to make a profit, but you don't have to spend any of your own money or buy any inventory to actually do this with this business model and this fulfillment type. There are many tools out here that can help you find these products to sell, have your supplier there, ship those products directly to the buyer so that you keep the profits, and all you have to do is set up an online store to actually host these products in, so you are really just the middleman in all of this. And you're thinking smarter and not harder. Not to mention that there are literally AI tools out here right now that can build your store for you 100% free. I'll put the link for this AI store builder that I always use down in my description box. It even comes packed with winning products so you can start selling right away. So for niche online stores, the startup cost is literally $0 to low investment. You could get to your first dollar very fast. It's completely scalable. I know people that had literally grew their e-commerce business like this, branded it really well, and then sold it for millions of dollars. And of course, it's beginner friendly as well. #3 online business model that I recommend is YouTube automation. If you have something that you want to share in your life, start a YouTube channel. If you have some type of knowledge, if you have something that you enjoy doing, you should have a YouTube channel. You could start one with showing your face. You could also start one completely faceless, which is what a lot of people have been doing this past year and blowing up their channels. There's people out here right now making thousands of dollars every single month without even showing their face. Making simple videos about different topics. Motivational videos, educational videos, travel, technology, just to name a few of these. And most of these are just videos with random stock footage clips put together with a voiceover. This faceless channel top 5 literally makes $500,000 every single year. And this channel, Toropia, you can literally see they are making around $12,000 every single month. So many faceless YouTube channels doing the same exact thing. And if they can do it, why can't you? The first YouTube channel that I made that I scaled to over 1 million subscribers, I started that YouTube channel completely faceless. I didn't start my baddie in business YouTube channel until I already was successful with a bunch of other online business models online. You can literally start doing YouTube with $0. Time to making your first money with YouTube kind of takes a little bit longer because you do have to get monetized. But once you are there, you're literally making passive income every single day. It's very scalable. You could scale a YouTube channel to make millions of dollars. You own your YouTube channel 100%. And of course, it's very beginner friendly. You just have to get started. I'll put the free course for this down in my description box below. Number 4 business idea is going to be affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a way that you can make money online just by recommending a product from somebody else's offer. This is a business model that you can take advantage of and create a business out of without you actually having a business. I would say affiliate marketing is a great extension off of one of these other online business ideas that you're going to start. If you start digital products, you could still have an affiliate marketing offer. If you start on YouTube, you can do affiliate marketing on YouTube. So it's almost like a business model inside a business model that you're already gonna start. You can also start this with $0. You can make money very fast with this. You can also scale this really big. The only disadvantage is you don't own that affiliate marketing offer because offers can change, but it's also very beginner friendly. And that's why you're gonna have this business model under another business model that you do own. Now we are gonna talk about the top skill, which is going to be business model number 5 that you need to learn immediately. That's only going to get more and more important to your life and entrepreneurship journey over the next 10 years. Spending some time learning this one skill that you can do completely on the side is going to guarantee your success for all of these other online business models. And that one skill is learning content creation and starting niche accounts. You could do this completely faceless like how I started, or you can show your face. That is completely up to you. By learning content creation and starting niche accounts, you can literally start with $0, monetize your life, knowledge, or whatever you're doing and get paid to exist. Or pick a topic that you love, like cooking. Start a social media account for your pet, like I did. Start an Instagram, TikTok, Facebook page, YouTube channel. You will be shocked as to how many ways there are to monetize this. So not only are you gonna make money with external monetization avenues, which is the business models that we talked about today, but as you're doing that, you are also going to be getting money and internal monetization from all these other income streams internally from these platforms. So literally you're getting paid just to grow your business and you're learning a skill all at the same time. Not only that, but as these platforms are growing, you can only continue to leverage them for more opportunities in your life as this world is becoming more and more digital. So you're building sustainable income streams that's literally becoming passive. You're diversifying your revenue sources, and you are going to just see your businesses, all of them flourish all at the same time. This is literally how I became a millionaire. Social media is your secret weapon. So I know what you're thinking. You're probably like, how the heck am I gonna do this? I am not an expert. I don't even like social media. It's toxic. Or you're thinking, I'm not good on camera. I don't have a product. I don't know where to even start. I hear this every single day, and that's why I built something that no one else has done before. I built a 15-day challenge for you guys that's gonna give you everything that I wish I had when I first started. Myself and my team are going to personally help you in this challenge. We're gonna help you clarify your niche, help you pick the right monetization and online business models for you. We're gonna help you fully set up and optimize your social media platforms. We're gonna also help you create an effective posting system to help you achieve your goals. While we're doing all of this for you, you're also going to be already learning and mastering this skill. You're gonna get a step-by-step system to start making money online in a way that lasts you over the next 10 years. Whether you're building a faceless brand, a niche page, sharing your story or knowledge, social media is your secret weapon. You don't need more information, you need a plan, and you need to execute. So if you are finally ready to start, you can click the link down in my description box below and start the challenge. And don't worry, no matter what time you are seeing this, you can join the challenge. It's not going to end in a week or end in a month. This system completely changed my life. I'm living proof that it works. And if you are serious about building income online and having true freedom in your life, I will see you guys inside. My goal is to always give you guys the support that you guys need to succeed. As you know, my YouTube channel is your #1 source for 100% free education and courses. I hope you guys continue to learn lots from my YouTube channel, and I will see you guys in the challenge. Bye, guys.